Hello, fellow Pit Boss Austin XL owners. Trying to give a real quick video here. If your auger is jammed, what possible causes it might be, along with the ways to get it out. So I've already taken things apart here. This part down here is the bottom grate. You will need to remove that. There's a ton of screws and washers that will enable you to do that. Next thing here, obviously, is a side. There are 4 bolts on the side. Here, here, on the back, and lastly there are 4 bolts on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. You remove all those and you'll be able to basically peel off your hopper controller and come down here. And something I want you to notice, this is the platform for the motor. There are no bolts under here from what I can tell, and I think this is actually what happened. I don't think it was the bad the pellets jamming it up. I just think that this thing got torqued so much and the motor's so strong that it actually warped the platform it was on, and I'm gonna have to bend it back. But having said that, I'm definitely gonna bend it back and go from there. So anyway guys, maybe make a follow-up video to show how this thing worked out. And anyway, take care. Good luck fixing yours. Alright guys, kind of making the second part of this video here. So I'm pretty sure this is what jammed up my my Pit Boss here. Basically a collection of sawdust, new pellets, who knows. But you're going to need a crowbar. In fact, you're going to need 2 of them to basically wedge them through this box right here. This is where the pellets get taken from the box inside the grill. You're probably going to need to take pictures of all these wiring connections you're going to have to disconnect. And you're definitely going to need a crowbar to get this out. There is a Phillips head screwdriver that goes in right there on top of the Allen wrench you'll need, pretty small one, to get out the, I guess the breakaway screw or whatever that gets this in. But anyway guys, just wanted to kind of sing a follow-up on this side of it. And you know, you should be able to reassemble and go from there, and I'll give an update once we get this figured out. Hey guys, something else I want to share with you. If you think your motor's shot, here's the name of the company, the model number, all that fun stuff. So hope that helps.